Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of Bitcoin. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or just curious about this digital currency, we've got you covered. We'll be exploring the history of Bitcoin, its present value and market cap, as well as its fluctuations over time. So let's jump right in. Before we get into the history, let's briefly explain what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. It operates on a technology called blockchain, which is a distributed ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin is not controlled by any central authority like a government or financial institution. Instead, it relies on a peer-to-peer network of computers to validate and verify transactions. Now that we understand the basics, let's explore the history of Bitcoin. In 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, outlining the concept and principles behind this new form of digital currency. Then, in January 2009, the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain, known as the Genesis block, was mined, marking the birth of Bitcoin. Bitcoin initially gained traction among a niche group of tech enthusiasts and early adopters. However, its popularity skyrocketed in 2017 when its value surged to unprecedented levels. Many people started to see Bitcoin as a potential investment opportunity, and its mainstream recognition grew rapidly. Let's shift our focus to the present value and market cap of Bitcoin. As of today, the value of Bitcoin is constantly changing due to market fluctuations. At the time of recording this video, the price of one Bitcoin is approximately $35,000. Please note that this value may vary, so it's always a good idea to check the latest prices before making any decisions. In terms of market capitalization, Bitcoin remains the largest and most dominant cryptocurrency. It has a market cap of around $650 billion, which represents the total value of all Bitcoins in circulation. This demonstrates the significant growth and acceptance of Bitcoin within the global financial landscape. Bitcoin's price has experienced both remarkable highs and notable lows throughout its history. Since its inception, the value of Bitcoin has witnessed several fluctuations. It's important to understand that Bitcoin is known for its volatility, which means its price can change rapidly and unpredictably. The minimum value Bitcoin has ever reached was approximately $0.003 in March 2010. This was when it was still in its early stages and hadn't gained much attention. On the other hand, Bitcoin reached its all-time high in December 2021, surpassing $64,000 per Bitcoin. And that concludes our exploration of Bitcoin's history, present value, and market cap. It's truly remarkable to see how this digital currency has evolved and captured the world's attention. Whether you're considering investing in Bitcoin or simply fascinated by its technological innovation, we hope you found this video informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.